Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to explain you a very easy topic in a very easy manner. Okay, so the topic is a life cycle of Plasmodium. Okay, so the life cycle of Plasmodium starts with an infected mosquito biting an non-infected man. Okay, so this is infected and this man is non-infected. Okay, so the mosquito bites the man. Okay, so what transfers from the mosquito to the human being is the sporozoites. Okay, so the sporozoites are the infecting stage of Plasmodium. Okay, so the next thing what happens is that after biting to the man, so where does the parasite go? It goes to the liver of the humans. In the liver, okay, and how does it goes to the liver? Through the help of blood. So with the blood, the sporozoites, okay, the infecting stage goes to the liver. In liver as a human being, okay, we are well developed organisms. In liver we have liver cells. Okay, in liver we have liver cells. Okay, in liver cells these parasites reproduce asexually. Okay, so in liver cells the parasites reproduce asexually. Okay, and then see here in this is the first cell in which the parasite enters. It reproduces asexually and produces the double number, isn't it? It produces the double number of parasites. So this double of parasites, some infect the second cell, okay, and then the some infects the third cell. So again it multiplies. Okay, so next it goes on like that, and then these sporozoites, okay, these parasites attack the human blood cells once again. So now the human blood cells are the target. In this human blood cells also they reproduce again asexually. Reproduction is through a sexual reproduction, sorry, a sexual reproduction. Okay, so in this blood cells also they reproduce asexually and then they double the numbers. Then at one stage, okay, at one stage the blood cells, okay, the sexual stage comes out, that is the gametocyte. Okay, like let us take this as to be the female and then this has to be the male. So it transfers, okay, it modifies itself into gametocytes or the gametocyst, whatever you call it as to be. So the gametocytes. Okay, so now let us take the whole diagram. This portion comes in man, not in mosquito. It all happens in man. Okay, then the next left out happens in mosquito. Let us write this MQ. Okay, so the next things which I'm going to discuss happens in mosquito. Okay, so okay, now this is an infected man and this mosquito is a non-infected mosquito. Let us take a condition. The mosquito may be infected or may not be infected also, but still we'll take it as to be a non-infected mosquito. Now as the man is infected, okay, when the mosquito bites the man, it sucks the blood. Along with the blood, these two gametocytes or gametocysts also comes to it. So now this is also being infected. Are you getting it? So the mosquito is infected now. Now what happens? Fertilization takes place in the intestine. Okay, so in the stomach. Okay, in the place of stomach. So this is very important. Fertilization takes place in stomach or intestine. Okay, then what happens? Then the mature infective stage, that is the sporozoites, escape from the intestine and then migrate to the mosquito's salivary gland. So from the stomach or the intestine they come to the salivary glands. Okay, now this is the salivary gland. Now when that infected mosquito like this one bites a human, okay, sorry, bites a human, what happens now? It transfers the infective stage into a non-infected human. So this cycle goes on. Okay, so this is the life cycle of Plasmodium. Okay, this is what I have explained you with the horrible diagrams. Okay, but like if you want to see it in a one goes, okay, you can go over here. So the first thing is that the infected mosquito bites the non-infected person. Then the non-infected person's blood takes the sporozoite to the liver. Then in the liver they reproduce asexually, and then the number doubles, and then the doubled number of parasites attack the human blood cells. There also they reproduce asexually, and then some amount of the reproduced cells develop into gametocytes. Then the gametocytes, like the male and the female gametocytes, okay, they are sucked by a non-infected or maybe an infected mosquito. Then this gametocytes go into the intestine or the stomach of the mosquito, and then from this the okay, fertilization occurs in the stomach. Then they come to the salivary gland, and then when this infected mosquito bites a non-infected person, they come into a non-infected person. So this cycle goes on and goes on. Okay, are you getting it? So let me take the diagram in given in the NCERT book. Okay, I think it would be very much clear over here. Okay, see, they have given beautiful diagrams over here. Yes, so let us read what they have given and let us understand it. When a mosquito bites on another human being, sporozoites are being injected. So the very much important point to be noted here is sporozoites, isn't it? Yes. Then parasites, that is the sporozoites, reach the liver through the blood. Okay, then parasites reproduce asexually in the liver cells, bursting the cells, and okay, so lysis happens only then the sporozoites are released into the blood, bursting the cells and releasing into the blood. Okay, so next in the blood, parasite reproduce asexually once again in the red blood cells, bursting the red blood cells and causing cycles of fever and other symptoms. Okay, when the red blood cells burst, okay, there are cycles of fevers and other symptoms, and then the released parasite infect a new red blood cell. Okay, so this goes on over here. Then sexual stage, that is gametocytes develop in the red blood cells. Okay, then female mosquito takes the gametocytes with the blood meal. See over here, you can see it very clearly, they have shown over here. Once there are sexual stages developed in the man, the female mosquito sucks it. Then fertilization and development takes in the mosquito's intestine. Okay, in new NCERT they have given intestine, but in the old NCERT it is stomach. Okay, so fertilization takes place in intestine. Then the sporozoites are in the salivary gland. Okay, the mature infective stage, that is the sporozoites, escape from the intestine and migrate to the mosquito's salivary gland. Okay, so now they come to salivary gland, and then they again infect the human being. Okay, this is a very simple cycle in simple words, the life cycle of Plasmodium. So if you have understood my explanation, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.